Hello, good morning from Quintero Loft. Buenos días desde Quintero Loft. Today is really windy. I think that it is like 12 miles per hour. I am waking up now and let's see how the birds are doing. Está a 12 millas por hora. Vamos a ver cómo las palomas están. I didn't have too much time yesterday because I was with my son playing hockey. He's playing hockey. Oh, it is a mess here. Look at that, how much feathers. Mira como hay plumas aquí hoy. Morning, guys. Look at that. How much feathers. They are molting really bad. I don't know if let them go a little bit with these wings. Probably it's gonna be good training, you know, if they don't hit any wire or something, it's gonna be a good training. They good some headwinds back and forth, low fly. Let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna let them go. Las voy a dejar volar. Es tan fuerte ya que ese viento no le va a hacer nada. They are really strong and that wind won't do anything to them. And then they can stretch the wind. Yesterday they didn't get out of the coop. Ayer no salieron. Let's see how they do today. Really strong winds, and they get some exercise with that. You see, the hawks was waiting for them. Mira, el halcón estaba solo esperando por ella. He's hungry because yesterday was raining. Okay, as soon as they took off, they disappeared. Hopefully this wind doesn't push them far away. Desde que salieron desaparecieron. Vamos a ver si este viento no las empuja muy lejos. But they are strong. They can fly back. They are just ranging a little bit. Ellas están fuertes, ellas pueden mirar para atrás. Okay, you have them flying there. I mean, if they survive the hawks and the wind and a crash, it's gonna be a good training, because you see that they have to fly against the wind, and that is like lifting weight for a bodybuilder. It's gonna be a good training. See them fighting against the wind there behind the trees. I mean, it's windy, sometimes there are some gusts, that get really strong. I mean, when they go against the winds, they struggle to push, but when they go in favor, they take top speed. At least it's not raining, it's just windy. I mean, they need this training because it's gonna be a week off. That means the next race is until next Sunday. Next weekend is looking really good. Temperatures are cool, and then it looks like it's gonna be dry. After Wednesday, it's gonna be. I haven't seen the hogs more, but I'm sure that he's waiting there, sitting in a tree until they come down. That is why I have to be here, just checking, just in case that he comes down. You see how fast they pass? It's crazy. Nice. I'm gonna keep pushing. Okay, looking like they're gonna come down probably. It has been 30 minutes already. I don't want to push them anymore. I mean, if they come down, I'm just gonna let them come in. You see, that is that is the dangers when they come in favor of the wind, that they crash against a tree or something like that. Oh man, I am getting dizzy here following these birds. Hopefully you don't. These two didn't want to fly today. That is the always that stay inside, that blue bar cock, and then the other one, the grizzle. That one passed through a really heavy molt. It's getting better now, but the wing is still, I think that is molt in the 8th flight. I didn't wanna go. I didn't push them. I just closed the door when they didn't go. And then the blue bar is like, the wing is really messy, if you can see there. You know, it's like molting like 2 or 3 flights at the same time, and he knows that probably he cannot fly that much. He always stay inside for the last 3 or 4 days. He has to stay inside. I am not pushing him. Yesterday they didn't train at all, as I told you. They stayed the whole day inside of the loft. And then what I did is I cut the food. Instead of 3 cans of food, I just gave them 2.5. Because I don't want them to get heavy. You see the wings? It gets gusty really hard. This is a tropical storm Ian that is passing close by and is giving these winds. At least it's not raining. Look at them, they pass really fast there. Definitely they are training like they were tossed like 60 miles away, because they have to really go against that wind. Oh, here. They are really enjoying the fly. See, when they go against the wind, they almost stop there in place. And then they turn around and then they go as fast as, like, I don't know, 70 miles per hour. They're really playing the wind. Okay, it's looking like the sun's wanna come out, but I think that it's gonna rain later. Where are they? Oh, here. See how hard they have to push against the wings? This is really nice. I enjoyed seeing the pigeons flying around. And today is fun, you know, with all this wind and gust. Hopefully they don't crash against anything. I think that this is good experience for the birds because they get used to the winds. I mean, you have some races that sometimes can be windy, and at least they experience that already. Because they are experiencing their like strong headwind, strong tail winds, shoulder winds, all kind of winds going around here. Okay, it looks like they are coming down already. Let me just stay there for the hawk. Nice, you made it back. Come on, go in. The food is ready. Nice training. I thought that it's gonna be a quiet weekend, but at least we got one good training today. See them inside? Nice. Let me open the door for the two that stay. Okay, today I fed them the 3 cans because I mean they flew really well. They flew almost for like 45 minutes. You can see there the food for guys that haven't seen it. As I told you, I feed 50% Jerry from Lara and 50% pellets. Of those, 50% is the green and 50% is the golden from Purina. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you next time. And now no more pigeons for now. Now it's hockey with my son.